Hi, welcome to Ruraltel. It's probably going to be a little hard to talk over this, but that glowing light you see coming at you, the left one is a combine out picking corn, and the one on the right is a grain cart. And I will just say that part of the noise you hear is on the back of the combine is a chopper machine. And as the cobs, after the corn has been taken off of the cob is run through a chopper to break it down, and it allows it to go back into the soil and break it down for nutrient. So I will just kind of let the combine do the talking for me. And you will see kind of as it goes by how the corn will kind of just disappear. That would be a tractor pulling a grain cart, and they do this on the run. They unload on the run. And that's the noise of the chopper you hear. Just like that, as it goes by, it just ate 12 rows of corn, and unloading its load in the grain cart.